Today we're going to design Mattes Luxury Eurofit Cotton Sheen Saddle Pad. First of all, we're going to click on the Design Yours button and wait for our configurator to load. Okay, so now we're ready to start configuring. The first thing you can do is choose which saddle pad style you want. This is the all-purpose one. There is also a dressage and a show jumping. On the other configurators, depending on which style of saddle pad you have, it will show you the options that are available for that pad. So we've got the top band colour, which is this bit along here, which you can change to any colour that's offered. Then we've got the quilt colour. And you can pick any of these. We'll choose a binding. And you've got three oak colours. The outer colour is obviously the one nearest the binding. Then we have a middle one and an inner one. The next thing to choose is the sheepskin style. If you're looking for just cosmetic, people usually choose just the front and the rear, but you can choose any of these options, as Mattes have all of these available. Then we have the sheepskin colour. You can choose whichever one you think suits your pad best. Then the Velcro options. Mattes have several Velcro options available. You can have no Velcro, which is just the girth strap only. Regular straps. Or the PM system, which just has a little hole here to put additional straps through. As if you have an underpad, for example. So we're just going to go for the regular Velcro straps. Then we can choose the colour. And the next thing is, do we want embroidery? You can actually have a bespoke, your own logo embroidered on there. There is a cost to that and you would have to contact us. It would be a special order. But we've done team and club colours for both this and the ear bonnets. So then we need to select a size. Now when you see these size options, you'll see a little plus beside them, which is wide wither. Now you only need to worry about this if you're actually having underside sheepskin, because all it is it allows a little bit of extra space at the front if your horse has got a very big wither, so there's no risk of anything pressing on the horse's wither. So in this case we're just going to select the normal. The next thing is the saddle fix. Saddle fix, as its name suggests, does actually fix the pad to the saddle by two little hooks at the front and the back. You can remove this if you don't need it, but if you've got a pad that's likely, or a horse that does have saddle pads that slip, it's a worthwhile expenditure. It's not very expensive. The last thing is the correction system. You can have no correction as it comes as standard, single or double pocket, which is this one here. Now the 4-pocket correction literally has 2 pockets, double pockets either side, and you have 3 shims, the little felt things that go inside, and this will enable you to adjust your pad minutely. So for example, if they had an injury on one side and they're slightly one-sided, just to keep the saddle pad in the saddle in its best fit as possible. Once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and add to cart. Okay, that's all done.